Hello. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys two main products by NYX. That's the Jumbo Eye Pencil and the Ombre Blush. Before we begin, I need you to do one quick thing. It's free, it's painless, it's effortless. Just hit that subscribe button, and once you're done with that, hit that bell button to be notified whenever I upload. I'm going to be starting off with my lips using a brown liner. This is actually what I use for my brow as well, so I really mix my products up. Then I go in with the NYX matte lipstick in Stockholm. We're no longer in the 90s, guys, so make sure that you blend your lipstick and your lip liner. You don't want to have a sharp line around your lips. No. Blending is key, so be sure to blend. To make my lips pop, I'm going to be using Victoria's Secret gloss over the lipstick. So onto the pencil, I'm going to be using it as a primer for my eyeshadow. After doing this, I go in with my MAC eyeshadow and use that as my brow highlighter. Unfortunately, the name has rubbed off, so I don't know the name. The name for this next eyeshadow has also rubbed off, but it's in the shade Embark. Also by MAC. Next, I go in with my blending brush, and that's also from Tarte Cosmetics. Onto the lashes, guys. These are 3D Make lashes made by Raj. They're premium quality luxury eyelash extensions, and I'm proud to say that not only do I have lashes for sale, but I also have human hair extensions, synthetic hair extensions, beauty products, skincare products, anything and all things beauty. I also provide hair and makeup services. So what are you waiting for? Be made by Raj. You can check out all the product listings on my Instagram as well as Facebook. Taking the same Jumbo Eye Pencil, I'm going to use that on my waterline. You see how much of a change something so simple does? My eyes look bigger, the makeup looks so different just because I put that on my waterline. Oh, and by the way, the pencil costs 25 ringgit. I think this blush is so pretty, and I like the fact that it's actually two-toned. You know how NYX always comes through with their affordable prices? This was actually 54 ringgit. So what are my thoughts on using the eye pencil as a primer? Well, I think it's definitely not as good as using an actual primer, but I will try it again and make sure to put some more product on my eyes. Maybe I didn't put enough, because usually when I do my eyeshadow, the colors are more vibrant than this. As far as the wear goes, it actually didn't crease or anything like that, so that was good. Just a quick tip, whenever you finish doing your makeup, do the flash test so that you can see how your makeup is looking with the flash on. That way when you look at the picture or the video and you realize, not looking too good, you can go back into blend before you step out. Alright guys, I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless.